We're being asked to solve this inequality. So negative x plus 4 over x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So the first step is to make sure we have 0 on the right-hand side, and we do. The second step is to set each piece equal to 0. So negative x plus 4 equals 0, and then x minus 9 equals 0. If we solve this piece for x, we get negative x equals negative 4. Dividing by negative 1, we get x equals 4. If we solve this one, we get x equals 9. Then we plot these numbers on a number line. So 4 and 9. And then we pick test points. The easiest test point to pick is 0. So we're going to start by checking 0. And 0 is over here. So if it's true, we're going to shade over here. If it's not true, we won't shade. And the pattern is always shade, no shade, shade, no shade. Okay, so plugging in 0, we get negative 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. So we get negative 4 over 9 greater than or equal to 0. That's not true, so we don't shade here. Instead, we shade here, and then no shade here. So now we just have to determine whether these are parentheses or brackets. So the 9 comes from the bottom. Let me rewrite what we have. We have this. This is the original question. So the 9 comes from the bottom. So that's always going to be a parentheses, because if you plug in 9 on the bottom, you get 9 minus 9, which is 0, and you get 0 on the bottom, so that's no good. So whatever comes from the bottom is always a parentheses. So 9 comes from the bottom. The 4 comes from the top. You can check it manually, or you can do it in your head. If you plug it back in, you get negative 4 plus 4 over 4 minus 9. So you get 0 over negative 5, and that's equal to 0. And that's greater than or equal to 0 because it's equal to 0. So this is true. So we include the 4, so we use a bracket. So the final answer here would be bracket 4, comma 9 with a parentheses. So I'm going to go over here and type it in. Did that kind of fast, sorry. 4, 9, parentheses, check answer. And then the correct choice here would be this one here. It looks like that looks to be, no, that would not be it. It would be, yeah, that would be it. Yeah, bracket 4, parentheses 9, that's correct. Good. And that's it.